Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have this very big luscious hair. Right now it needs to be revived. It needs some love, attention, everything. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do today. So thank you guys over at Ishow Hair for sending me over these bundles. You guys, I have not received bundles or made a wig since July. I've been doing these pre-made wigs and I'm just over it. So your girl is back to the bundles 2020. Okay, so the packaging came with a few accessories, lashes, hairband, and then the bundles, and then a little start card as well. So this is how your hair will come. Very high quality hair. This hair is really good, very easy to work with, very manageable as well. And I absolutely love the lace frontal, and working with the lace frontal felt like it melted right into my skin tone. Now, the frontal is pre-plucked, as they say. However, I like the gradient effect of my frontal, so I had to go behind the hairline and pluck behind the hairline. This is something that you guys don't have to do. If you guys are okay with the fuller hairline, then that is okay with me. And if that works for you, it works for you. But I like the gradient effect, so I just take it behind the hairline and pluck behind the hairline. And I already made this wig unit sewing machine method, by the way, and the ear tabs are already cut out. So that's why you guys saw a little cutout for the ear. So here is the wig, you guys. It looks so good, just like put on. The lace is not attached, it's not glued on or anything. It's not stuck to my head, anything like that, but I feel like it looks so good. So I'm just sitting here trying to make sure that the wig fits and is going to go ear to ear, really pull down how I like it, so that I can do my ear tabs how I like to do my ear tabs. I feel like that's a very crucial part for my wig units, and I just need to make sure that the hair comes down over my ear and it fits perfectly. So I did a pretty good job with making this wig unit today. Or that day. But anyways, I'm cutting the lace off. Even though this is not glued on or anything like that, I feel like it still melted very well into my skin tone. However, you guys know I'm a glue girl. I have to use glue. If I do not use glue, I just feel like my wig is not secure. Anybody can snatch my wig off. If I go to tussling and fighting or anything, somebody can snatch my wig off, so I have to use glue. It just makes me feel better. However, I use the Ghost Bond Supreme glue, and that's the glue that I've been rocking with since I probably started my channel. It's just the best glue. The Ghost Bond glue is the best. However, I use right now, at this very moment, I use the Ghost Bond Supreme, and I will try to link that down below for you guys if you guys want to purchase it. It's also in my local beauty supply store, and it cost me $32 to get that from out of my local beauty supply store, and it might be a little cheaper on Amazon. So I use Edge Booster Gel. This is not sponsored, you guys, but I love their gel. I love their products. It's amazing. I use it for my wigs to do my baby hairs, and it's amazing. It holds very well. I feel like my wigs, I don't see any flaking or any white crust or anything that you would see using gel or edge control. I feel like it's just been doing me pretty well, and it holds my baby hairs in place long enough. I honestly don't feel like I have to do too much to my baby hairs or the baby hairs doesn't mess up until it's time for me to take my wig off, to be completely honest. The gel is really good. And by the way, this is not sponsored. Have to make that clear. It's not sponsored. I buy this gel on my own with my own money. They don't send me products. However, they did send me products in the past, but that was 2 years ago. So hopefully I can get back on the Edge Booster bandwagon train, because I really would love for them to send me some products. Because I honestly love them. I have almost everything. But anyways, here your girl go. She's continuing to do her baby hairs. I just like these soft looking baby hairs. Sometimes I go overboard with it or whatnot, but I try to do little soft baby hairs. And this hairstylist friend of mine was telling me, it's I really love how you do your baby hairs. They're just so small and Like, it's just effortless. Like, it's not perfect. And I think that's what he likes about it. And again, I told you guys, I don't like perfect hair. Like, I don't want my hair to look like swoop-de-whoop-de-whoop. Like, give me some baby hairs, let's go. Like, it's not that deep. You know, as long as you just can't see the lace. So this is my first time using these little strips. Girl, is it necessary? No. But it's trending right now, so I decided to use it. But this is how my hair looked when I took it off. So you guys, this is day 3 or 4 of me wearing this hair right here. It's time for me to basically revive the curls, give it some moisture, and give it some love and attention. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. I also see a lot of comments saying like your curls don't come out like my curls. So I thought I would show you guys how I define my curls on my wigs for my curly hair or any type of hair that has a texture other than straight body wave. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the brushes that I use to detangle my hair, and I think that this is a very crucial part. When I wash my hair or when I detangle my hair, I always use a wet brush, and then I use this one a lot right here to define my curls. I am going to, I already have it parted, so I'm gonna go ahead and like part it down the middle, or not really down the middle. I'm gonna part it where my side part is, basically, is what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I took it, my side part, and I parted down this way. So it's gonna be more hair on this side, as you guys could probably tell. I'm gonna go ahead and start detangling the back of my hair. And I'm gonna do this mainly because I wore that jacket. See, like, the jacket fucked my hair up in the back, like, ugh. And it's really just like this back piece that I just know that this hair got caught all the way the fuck in, and it's so irritating, like, oh my god. So I had to take this back piece and just detangle through it. And I definitely don't think that this back hair is literally because I wore that jacket. Like, I was not having these problems. Like, this hair was already washed. I had already washed it before I even made the wig. This hair was perfectly fine, y'all. Like, that jacket made me go through sugar honey iced tea. Other brush, I'm gonna just brush this out so that I can define the curls using some water. And this is going through my hair like extremely well. Like, it's not even tangling my hair. Like, it's actually doing a really good job with like getting the curls out. Like, it's doing a very, very, very good job. So now that you guys can see the full potential of this hair, I'm gonna go ahead and make a better part for my hair. So I pre-parted this on my wig, so I never really made a defined part for my wig for myself. But I'm just gonna do like a little swoop-de-whoop. I'm gonna go ahead and like hot comb my part. And I'm gonna just do it upwards because I like the volume in the front, and you guys should know that if you watch my videos. I'm just gonna do it up. I'm not gonna lay it flat, just straight up is what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna get my oil. So this is my water bottle here, and this is what I would be using. There's nothing in here but pure water. I never use product in my hair, you guys. I've always just used water. So if you ever see me like detangling my hair or spritzing my hair, just know that it's always water. Only use water, 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 water. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my hair down, and I'm gonna do it just enough to where it's not fully drenched, you guys, okay? It's not gonna be fully drenched because I don't have time to be wet all over the place. So I'm gonna drench it to where it still looks full. So you guys, this is the final results of the hair. It looks way more healthier than before. It looks more shinier. It just looks more healthy, and I love how it looks.